Make a picture. Make a picture.
Yes, come in. Please sit here.
What you dreaming and sitting and looking down the surface of the earth? You stupid teacher. Nonsense.
Okay, my student. You are talking to me nonsense, stupid, right? Okay, let's see. Let's start the lesson again. I'm going to ask some few questions, and if you don't respond, you will see. Be careful. Okay, where are you from?
I come from South Korea.
Okay, are you from South Korea? Then, okay, what is your name?
My name is Inan Kuzungu. I stay in Timolong Headquarters, P number 79515. I'm the name of teachers. So, thank you, sir.
Oh, what a nice name! Oh, wonderful. Oh, magic. Okay, let's start the lesson, okay?
Okay, let's start, sir.
Do you see this?
Yes, I see, man.
Hey, sit down and respond. Hey. What is the meaning of stoplight in Rockaway language?
Yeah, that is too easy. That is called wrong, man. That a bit we think.
Good. Excellent. You are very clever. Now, okay, another question. Okay, another question. This.
Okay, sir. Bigo, okay, tắt mày.
Okay. Last question. Translate in Roman language.
This is very easy answer. Don't khen anh tôi. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, student. You are very talented person. Since I have nothing like you, very good in expert talking in what's it? I also don't know. But you are good in translation of Roman. You can be someone like Professor Gangume. Okay, you can go home.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good morning.